Kindu kingi ngienda gukuria ni atiriri kai wagithina ku kanua karekirie atia tondu ucire nae mwiroreri wakwa ni urona uria kanua karakihana na ni njona wi hau ni urakinya kinyira ukarigwo ni kiitaroria reke ambia twire riu Samidoh tatwire ni kanua gakiogoma gagikorwo ke mwena
don't know Niggah no menya atiriri no menya githungura magia mwena uyu agakanu nikyo kathire mwena uyu tondu me ru dia menya kwaria ni kwaria githungu you know man. Oh my God, ukiumagia mwena that's when nikirona kanu karete mwena uyu yo
mwiroreri wakwa maritwa makwa ni Sofika wa Irimo ngikurehere mwe kwa mwe kuma kwi mundu gwitwo Samidoh agitwire US tour yake uria irahanaga agitwire gukihana atia ku agitwire ka environment kaku arakona atia compared na gaka aragigituraga guku tondu ndirona maundu agati moru ginya kunyoroka ni munyoroku eri no nyende riu agitwire uhoro waku Samidoh
I'm good man
you good
yeah I'm good man
riu no nyende twire atiriri kuri rariri na guku ri ungirwo cokeri kana tumaica twako na twa guku ri ungitwirwo utu compare kana unengerani utiganu ungiuga thi
you know what America is good and one thing I like about Americans they don't like shit they don't like bullshit yeah they are good people they are good America is good it's not like Kenya but I know I'll go back man I know I like the place yo Niggah man I like that place yeah yo
he nitakugaga kundu kou nikuramwagirire muno kiuria kingi ngienda gukuria ni atiriri
yo
okay kuringana na migithi ya guku ri urio thia gu perform guku ri na kuria ri hena utiganu kana guku ni kwega ri kana kuria ni kuo kwega makiria ungirwo ringithanie ri ni kungiuga kwi better
you know in America when you go for a train mugithi you know mugithi is train when you go for a train people sit down and then you sing for them but in Kenya all of them start singing together but there people sit down and you sing for them yo they are cool people man cool people yo cool people matikoagwo na kiherehere tita Kenyans ure makona kiherehere kumatikoagwo na kiherehere kiigita Kenya yo
kindu kingi ngienda gukuria ni atiriri kai wagithina ku kanua karekirie atia tondu ucire nae mwiroreri wakwa ni urona uria kanua karakihana na ni njona wi hau ni urakinya kinyira ukarigwo ni kiitaroria reke ambia twire riu Samidoh tatwire ni kanua gakiogoma gagikorwo ke mwena
don't know Niggah no menya atiriri no menya githungura magia mwena uyu agakanu nikyo kathire mwena uyu tondu me ru dia menya kwaria ni kwaria githungu you know man. Oh my God, ukiumagia mwena that's when nikirona kanu karete mwena uyu yo
okay udungi ndirenda twire ni atiriri okay ugithi ni twaiguire turuma si na ni twaiguire taigwathi atia kana atia okay ndikwenda kuingira muno no nyende gukuria undu ucio ni wagiire na guku affect kana undu ucio ni wakinyire handu ngikihana to ngikuhe stress kana ni watwikire undu ucio wa kugiririria wiki uria wathiete gwika ku
undu riku
heto undu twaimite reke tutige kuingira muno nawe gucia iri tukuige kuo tondu njuyo nae ni uraerewa no nyende gukurikana hena undu wakinya ku ungiatumirio giririka he stress wale na sisi ngiatumirio giriririe wike performance yaku wega kana
atiriri acha jana ni horo wa nyamu what drive
no menya ni gukuringana undu
you know when I was going there people started saying oh my God it's you what Samidoh is going with Nyamo you what I have left my work fear I'm going with Nyamo there nothing like that Niggah I went alone I can't go with the wildlife there because Nyamo kuri America for me to be able to mugithi well
riu Samidoh no nyende gukuria atiriri ni mugithi uriku waku yani utakariganirwo as in uria performance iriku yaku ya mugithi as in uga nginya umuthi iyo ndikariganirwo ni uria ringi yari njega kana ni undu uriku wahanikire ugituma uge ucio ndikariganirwo
you mean when I was in US
onoko nginya ni guku Kenya kana ku
no we are talking about US you mean when I was in US
it's okay
ni mugithi uri takariganirwo igwa ndare kuria US ni mugithi uria ndahurire kuria Texas mugithi ucio ndikariganirwo wokitwo ni macerebu othe Rihanna Beyonce Jay-Z Lil Wayne Rick Ross acio othe ni mokite mugithi wothe riu hikwa ni no menya kuma ti huraga ati mugithi matimenyete kuhura mugithi ikwenda nyitire ngito ngigambia twen andu othe marugamire kujina Rihana njuga atiriri lekide mainira atiriri Firirida Rihana aimbire metha iguru Beyonce nake ai ndanyitekaga othe mauga kubu ni mugithi uria washikiete na guti mundu aria gutha mugithi tocio macirebu acio othe nwanyita gopo ni wanyita. I hope you're getting me, man.
Yeah,
you're getting me. Jona JC aikara hau thi no makindia meagie ni kuigua uru ni amugithi ushikete tondu JC ndari ahura mugithi tocio uria ndahoria ku naigua koguo mugithi uria ndahoria Texas ndikariganirwo macirebu ni manjitigerire mugithi wathira uguo othe mokire makigeria yo man who are you yabe kumenya Samidoh from Kenya, you know man I'm a trained so mama kina muno yo mugithi ucio ni gwita kariganirwo yo
Samidoh no nyende gukuria atiriri ni kiu ungira andu aria ni marakurugamirire ithenya riu ria guthie andu makurugamirira yani andu maratuma wigwe very comfortable ona ga security to ni jondu rakiagite ga security yani ungienda kwira andu acio marakurugamirire ithenya riu uraigua yes ona ati wina na kukaigua wi mucii ungienda kumera
you know I want to thank all the niggas who were there for me when I was in America. It was great. The niggas were good. The niggas were friendly. The niggas made it. I'm thankful. I know nyenda kumera tiriri. Ngai wa matwini amarathime. Irathimo chure kwa tabura. Yeah.
Kithegio mwiroreri wakwa ni undu woguo Samidoh arikia gutuhe uhoro riu tukiugia ati tigo njuge mugitindie thayo na tugakiona na muthenya ucio ungi tukimuhaririria maria mangi maragitukinyira. Thank you.
Thanks guys. God bless you so much.